Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's my baby. So I'm up with a dilemma. I'm hoping somebody could help me out. I'm on the cusp of adding another bike to my stupidity. um, I got this beautiful machine, which I absolutely love, and it really is incredible. I can't talk enough about it. I'm gonna do a proper review on it, and I got this thing that is just, I can't even explain it. It's just outrageous too. But you don't realize though what a difference in ride manners these two bikes have. I mean, they're like on both ends of the spectrum. I mean, they're both Street Fighters, right? They're both naked machines, whatever you want to call them. But they just, this one comes on so hard, so fast. The torque on it is incredible. It's incredible. I got the race ECU and the Aquapovic exhaust on there. And this one just turns on so much later on, but screams to no end. Absolutely no end. It's unbelievable, this bike. So the dilemma is, I'm talking to two dealers about a stealth Street Fighter. I'll add some pictures to what I'm looking at, which most of you probably already know what it looks like. But I'm trying to get them at around 27,000 out the door. You know, American money, US dollars. But I don't know. I don't know if I should just get a third bike. Am I getting three of the top street, nakeds, hyper nakeds? Am I getting three of them? What's the sense, right? Or how fantastic would it be having all three? I don't know what to do, man. But I would definitely appreciate someone's opinion. Look at this thing. Sick. I'd really appreciate someone's opinion. I don't know. I test rode the Street Fighter the other day. And it just feels like, not for a long ride, but it feels like it lands in between these two. So the Street Fighter has the high end, the high RPMs, but it also has some grunt, not as much grunt as this. So it kind of lands like right smack in the middle of these two. That's my opinion. If I had the bike for a little longer, I might be able to give you more info. But I don't know. I'm torn. But it would be pretty cool to have three of the best bikes. We'll see. Anyway, any opinions, please write them down. I would love to know. Thanks.